Hello, in front of me I've got MOTOROLA Moto E20. In this video I'll show you how to manage Google Pay app. At the beginning, enter Google Pay. And this is the homepage of Google Pay. From here you can add a payment method and add different types of cards. Here you can check all your payment methods, list of participating banks, and your full activity. Then we can go to settings, where you can turn on or off email updates, Gmail imports, personalization within Google Pay, purchases notifications, updates about your passes, offers and tips, and you can edit your account info. Then we've got contactless setup, which is unavailable on this phone because it doesn't have NFC. Help and support and send feedback. If you tap here, you got access to your Google account. And that's all. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.